Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple presets in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add multiple presets in your photo, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Here, choose a photo that you want to add multiple presets to. Here, to add the preset, simply click on preset option right here. Now, choose any of the preset that you want to add to your photo. For now, I'll choose this preset right here and click here to save changes. Now, click here and save this photo to your device. Now, once it has been saved to our gallery, we'll be able to locate it in our gallery right here. Now, this was the photo we previously added the first preset to. Now, to add another preset, repeat the process. Simply click on preset again and choose one of the preset, just like this. And click here to save changes. And just like this, we have added multiple presets in a photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.